So I'm Wallace Lynch. I'm the founder and chief economist of Alpha Token. What I have been doing in the last decade is in the IT business and to do several innovative IT projects to serve the community. And my focal point is the evaporation of the value problem of our human value. This is from my research. I have done my research in labor economics in Columbia University, and I've also been teaching economics in university for some time. And then I switched from the academic life to the entrepreneurial track to start up my IT companies. And before that, I have been working in the media industry for quite a long time, and I also work for the social media. So from traditional media to social media, that I understand the pain point of the content business. This is how I result to create the Alpha Token projects to serve the content community. So the question is about the original idea of Alpha Token. It actually came from a very difficult question in the content economy. It is called the evaporation of value. The whole content business globally counts as trillions of dollars every year. However, most of these content values evaporates in the air. Nobody gets it. Not the creator, not the consumer, not even the advertisers. So a lot of value just evaporate in the air. And how do we capture those value and quantify them and put them back into the global economy in the content trade? It is a big question. And currently, the content creator is not getting fairly compensated. And as a consumer or viewer, we spend a lot of time on commercials and promotional content and not getting compensated, which is not fair. And also for the advertisers paying a lot of money, but not getting the very thing they want, which is the terminal user. So the whole content trade is so jacked up, and the value has been escaping the global economy. So that's the origin of what Alpha Token is. So we create the whole content trade ecosystem to regulate and form a closed circle for content trade. So that's the origin of Alpha Token. Alpha Token, it is my fifth product, third IT venture. So I've been doing IT startup for the last decade. So this is something that really in my vision to create a truly decentralized content trade ecosystem to reloop those trillions of dollars of value in the content business back into the global economy. So the confidence come with the volume, with the right approach, and also come with the right experience that me and my team has. So talking about the current customers of ATK or Alpha Token, we serve three major participants of the content economy, including the content creator, the content consumer, as well as the advertisers. So these three participants are all contributing and consuming the whole content economy, and it needs to be served for all three parties. We have been working with a lot of content platforms, including musicians, movie makers, writers, and also bloggers. So these are the content creators in general that is definitely needing such kind of product, what we produced. And also, we are introducing our product to the campuses, to the universities, that all the students and faculties, when they publish their dissertations and their thesis, that they can get hold on to their copyrights and really make money on their research result. And this is something that we can begin to crack in the highly intelligent and highly private information cautious population to use the decentralized system. Our browser, publisher, and wallet is out. So the whole content ecosystem has been built, and we will launch the product before we launch our token to the public consumption. I believe we are one of the very few teams that launched the real IT product, the full-fledged product, before we launch the token. And we would like to contribute to the content economy and get everybody involved to enjoy the decentralized content trade. and make sure that everyone, including the creator, the consumer, and the advertisers, can get 100% of what it takes out of our system and try it and to participate in the decentralized content trade. So the challenge of building Alpha Token ecosystem comes from multiple aspects. The technical challenge is easy. We have a very, very good team, including the Economist, including myself, and the technical team with my colleagues, that we construct a very robust system to serve the community. But I think the marketing and the market education hurdle, it is another big hurdle that any company like us is gonna go across. Because decentralization is a new concept. People need to think about their life and their work in a different perspective. This is gonna take some time for the general public to understand, to comprehend, and get used to. From a marketing perspective, because there are so many air tokens out there, it dilutes the true purpose and the vision of decentralization. So that creates a lot of white noise that no matter it's the investors or the adapters, the government administrations, or those researchers, that it blurs people's vision, that it is hard for people to filter out those few really good and solid product. So this is also a hurdle that I believe all true entrepreneurs and true creators need to seriously deal with. So these are the three major hurdles I think out there, but of course, anything could be difficult. If you want to make it real and make it solid, you need to be patient. So here at Alpha Token Foundation, what we want to present to the world is not only a decentralized token and content trade system. Our vision is to promote a true digital democracy in the future society. Because nowadays, our asset, the physical asset, is becoming less important comparing to our digital asset. If we are not be able to control and maintain our digital asset, and if we are not be able to protect our privacy and our digital existence from the centralized despotic power, then we might very well lose our freedom and democracy in the future. So this is a serious issue. And for Alpha Token Foundation, our high-level vision is to construct an alternative for the public. We call it the digital citizen, to maintain our individual liberty in a digital society. So this is our call for everyone to participate. So become a digitizen instead of a digital dweller. So welcome everybody to participate in our campaign to become a digitizen and to make use of our Alpha Token ecosystem. It's free for everybody to use. So this is Wallace Lynch, the founder of Alpha Token. Thank you.